everyone, and welcome to another educational video about screen printing by Catspit Productions. Thanks a lot for clicking on my video today. I appreciate your time and attention, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like my tips, you like the advice, the information, they're free right here on YouTube. So it's really important that you subscribe to my YouTube channel to help keep me motivated and keep these free videos coming at you right here on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe right now. All right, so today's video is a quick tips video. Really quick here, I'm going to try to help you guys learn a little bit more of the terminology in screen printing. And we will often hear the term key printer, K, the key printer. What does that mean? Like, you know, CMYK, right? Well, there's also a key printer or a K printer on other jobs that are not CMYK. So what does that mean? What is the key printer? All right, it's a little bit hot in the shop. It's still a little bit hot in Phoenix, Arizona. So let's make this quick, shall we? What is the key printer? In CMYK 4-color process, you know, we have cyan, magenta, yellow, and K. But the K is black, okay? The black screen is usually known as the key printer, or K. Okay, so what does that really mean? All it means is that usually the key printer, which is usually black, traps in all the other colors. Okay, so for instance, on this shirt here, where you've seen this shirt before, the Hawaiian surfer girl shirt, right? Okay, this is a 4-color. And the black screen, which is key, the key screen or key printer, K, will trap in all the other colors. And it's usually printed last, right? Okay, so in this job we have yellow, we've got a red screen, and all right, that other one was a different color. That was, this is yellow, red, and then blue it was, all right? So you've got, it's a 4-color, all right? So usually we're gonna print these 3 colors first, and then the black printer gets printed last. It's the key printer. The other thing that the key printer could be used for is lining up a job by printing the key printer and then lining up all the other colors to the key printer, okay? And that's often why it's referred to as the key printer, because it can help you do the registration as well. And it may not always be black. It could be a different color. Like if you remember the 3-color holdfast Indian design that I did, that the key printer was actually orange. Okay, so basically the key printer, or K, it's often referred to, is the black screen. It's black ink, and it's the part of the design that traps in all the other colors. And that's it. It's basic and simple as that. All right, that's all I have for you today. I hope you found this video to be informational and useful to you. And if you did, make sure to subscribe. And of course, if you need screen printing equipment or supplies, check out CatspitScreenPrintSupply.com. Thanks again for watching, and of course, we will see you next time.